Hi everybody, it's Kayla here, and I hope you all are having a good day wherever you are. And so today I'm going to be filming what I believe is going to be probably my final tutorial for the 14 days of love for Valentine's Day. So today is the 12th day, so let's get to it. So yeah, I had tried to do this video last night so I could post it earlier, but it took me 3 tries and my foundation wasn't right. So yeah, let me move this over a little bit. There we go. Alright, so let's get into this video. So today I'm going to be using for primer the Hard Candy Dark Spot Correcting Primer. Just to be putting that all over my skin. I have really liked doing the 14 days of love. I just liked the fact that I was putting out constant content on my channel, and it was just allowed me to be creative and to, like, you know, do something other than makeup, actually talk and you know, let you all get to know me a little bit better. So for foundation, I'm playing it safe because I do not need to be doing this video over again. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Matte and Poreless in the shade 322 Warm Honey. I describe this as, I think this is like my perfect year-long shade. I love this foundation. Or I also use 50, I think because it's winter, 315 Warm Honey would be better. But, I mean, this looks decent. It's a little bit darker and oranger, but, you know, it would be like an issue. I could blend it down, basically. So, yeah, I'm just going to put this on and then I'll be back. So, instead of going to my eyes, I'm just going to do the rest of my face. So I'm going to be using this LA Colors Mineral Press Powder for my contour, and this is in the shade Ebony. The little puff that nobody uses just fell down there, but oh well, we'll be fine. I'm just going to put this in the hollows of my cheeks. This does look orange now that I look at it, but like, trust me, it looks better on camera. I wear it all year long, but I probably could have gone a little shade lighter, but it's okay. It will look good. It doesn't look terrible. You know, especially since I would have blended down to the neck, but I don't want to get the shirt dirty, so yeah. Okay, so next I'm going to move to blush. I'm using this ColourPop blush in Cheerio. It is cracked a little bit, but I've used it with it cracked, and I do get a little bit more pigmentation. I just have to fix this because it is like cracked a little bit, but yeah. Oh yeah, this is supposed to be a bold, like, sexy, sultry look. I know I didn't say that earlier. My bad. So we're really going for the glam today, okay? Trying to look very glammed up. This is like if you have like a nice little date, you going out, y'all are doing like big things, nice things, where you just have to dress up for. This is what that look is for. Or if you just want to look extra sexy, you know. So now I'm going to go in with highlighter. I'm using this Artist Couture highlighter. This is, what's it in shade? It's the Diamond Glow Powder Illuminati. I guess that's the shade. I got this in a BoxyCharm. I'm actually excited because I get my BoxyCharm on Wednesday. So stuff is very powdery. Like, that's why I have it way over here, because it's really powdery. So I kind of don't like it for that reason. But, I mean, it will give you that glow. So I'm going to put a little, ooh, that's a lot. That was too much. See? But see, what happened to me is, like, mine, like, is, like, all of my spill out above the sifter. Y'all, I know y'all see that glitter going everywhere. I got some on my fingers. I'm just going to use that. Y'all see that side good. This side, I feel like it's not. You see it. Got glitter all over my shirt. This is like glitter. This is not even like, oh yeah, it's there. A little too much. I think I'm going to go back over with my blush for that. Okay, so now we're going to get started with the eyes. For doing my eyebrows, I'm going to be using this NYX Color Wheel. And I'm going to use the darkest shade and fill in my brows. I did this last night with one of my videos, and it looked pretty good. So, well, yesterday, not last night. You know, it gives your brows a natural look, but I'm going to do something to make them look less natural. Well, natural, but you know what I mean. By the way, does anybody know what happened to NYC? Because they're not in stores like they used to be, not at Walmart. So I'm going to use this NYX Brow Mascara in Espresso, and I'm just going to go over my eyebrows just to give me more of a bolder look. You see that? They look good. I feel like my brows look a little bit more brown than usual, but I like them. But yeah, so that's that. So now we're going to move on to the eyes. I'm going to do like more of a golden look today. So I'm going to be using this Death by Chocolate palette by Makeup Revolution. It is so pretty. And I'm going to be using, let's see. Oh, there goes the little thing. I'm going to be using this shade right here for my crease color. Going to put that in my crease heavily. It is heavily in there, but it's okay because I like the way that looks. I'm gonna go a little bit above the crease since I have those hooded eyes, you know. I love my hooded eyes, even though you have to be like extra crafty with eyeshadow. I like having hooded eyes. It's not bad. So I'm going to blend this out and then I'm going to come back on camera. Okay, then I'm going to take this golden shade and I'm going to put this all over my lid. Bam! So just putting that all over my lid because I want to go a little bit glam today since, you know, this is going to be my ultimate bold Valentine's Day look. So I'm just going to do this to the other side, do some blending, and then I'll be back on camera. Okay, and then I'm just going to go with this shade right here and just put this in the corner of my eye just to bring a little bit more glam. That's a little intense. Let me pat that out a little bit. Okay, and so next I'm going to work on my lower lash line. So, sorry, I had to make sure I didn't get stuff on my shirt. So I'm going to be using this Lord and Berry liner, and I'm just going to, let me get my mirror. I'm just going to go in the lower lash line and in the waterline with this. See, like that. And to soften that up a little bit, I'm going to go back in this shade right here that I used in my crease and just put that underneath the water line just to give myself a little bit of color and less of that like heavy black. Okay, you see. Now let's just smudge off that black a little bit because I see that I went a little bit too hard with that black. Okay, so next I'm going to put on my eyeliner. Since I have a lot down here, I don't want to like do like a full lash, like a full liner. I do want to do like a wing because I am going to be putting on false lashes, so those are going to take up a majority. So I'm going to go really outward with my line, and then I'm going to swoop back. See that? Now I'm going to fill this in. And of course, I'm going to make adjustments when I put my lashes on, but that's what I'm going for right now. And yeah, so let me do the other side for you all. Okay, cool. So now I'm going to be using some bolder lashes. I'm going to be using these Cherry Blossom lashes in 11. So yeah, I'm really excited. I've never used these before. So I'm going to put these bad babies on off camera. Okay, so I used the Miss Manga mascara by L'Oreal on my lashes. I had a little trouble with these lashes because they're a lot, and I realized that like since I have hooded eyes that it doesn't really do me good to like have a lash that's like really like big because it really like makes my eyes look heavier than what they are. Let me move this up a little bit. Okay, but anyway, so now we're going to move on to lipstick. So for this look, I wanted to use reddish lipstick. So that's what I'm going to do. Of course, obviously. So first I'm going to try out, I've never used this lipstick before, I don't think. The Rimmel Stay Matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Rosetto. Oh, Rosetto? Was that it? No, Firestarter. I was reading the wrong thing, but yeah, Firestarter. So, boom. Now this is fire starter, okay? Bam. Okay? This will get your man's attention. You walk in, he'd be like, bam, girl, that lipstick. Like, dang. Like, especially when you work with black to, like, contrast. I like this. I'm trying to get my hair right because I can't look sexy if my hair is looking a mess. You know what I'm saying? There we go. That's better. So, yeah. Ooh, I like this. This is nice. Okay, so let's go to our next lipstick. Okay, so the next lipstick I'm going to be using is this Catsuit by Catsuit liquid lipstick by Wet n Wild, and this is in the shade Missy and Fierce. Okay, let's see how Missy and Fierce looks. Looks very similar to the Rimmel one. I think this is just like a little bit darker though, but this is nice. I like this. I think I like the other one better though. Just saying. So I have 2 more lipsticks to go. So these next lipsticks I'm going to be using are going to be a little bit darker. So next I'm using the NYX Liquid Suede in Cherry Skies. And let's see how this looks. Ooh. I like red lipstick. I just don't wear it a lot because I feel like red lipstick should be worn on special or certain occasions. It's not like an everyday lipstick for me. Okay, yep, this gives you that little darker shade, which I like. That's what I like. Okay, yeah, I'm doing too much. So, got 1 more to go, and we're going to see how that goes. And then I'm going to take some selfies, then I have to get ready for school. So, this is the matte ink in Voyager. I like this too. But yeah, I think I like the first lipstick better. That's a little outline there, but y'all disregard it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching these tutorials. I really do appreciate it. I hope you all enjoyed watching these and my whole 14 days of love. Let me know how you feel about it. I know this lipstick is looking ridiculous right now, but I just really wanted you all to see how the shade looks with my look. But yeah, thank you all for watching. Oh, this is getting on my nerves. I gotta correct this. I overdrew my lips a little bit, but that's okay. All right, y'all. Thank you for watching. Thank you for doing these videos with me. Bye.